Hello, my friends. Welcome. Today, let's talk about yoga, not just as exercise, but as a way to connect with yourself. When you hear yoga, maybe you picture someone in a pretzel shape or a sweaty workout. But yoga is so much more than stretching or building muscle. It's an ancient tradition, a journey inward. Think of your body as your home. Yoga teaches you to listen to it, to honor where you are right now. It's not about forcing yourself into a perfect shape, but about kindness and curiosity. We're not just stretching our bodies, we're creating space in our lives. Yoga offers a pause from the rush of daily routines, a gift to yourself. So, let's set aside the idea that yoga is only about exercise. What if yoga could transform not just your body, but your perspective? This practice has lasted thousands of years because it offers something profound, a path back to yourself. Yoga is about harmony, body, mind, and spirit. It's about moving in a way that feels good, supporting you on and off the mat. Forget about being perfect or what yoga should look like. Focus on how it feels. Be open to the magic that happens when you simply show up, ready to breathe and move. This is your practice, your time. Let's begin this exploration together, with open hearts and minds. Welcome to your yoga journey. At the heart of yoga is something we do all day: breathe. In yoga, breath is called pranayama. It's like guiding your life's energy. Your breath connects your mind and body. When you're stressed, your breath is shallow. When you're calm, it's deep. By noticing and guiding your breath, you can change your energy and feelings. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave, flowing in with energy, out with release. In yoga, we link movement to breath. Inhale, lift, exhale, fold. This turns stretching into moving meditation, bringing you into the present moment. You're not thinking about yesterday or tomorrow, just here, moving and breathing. This focus calms your nervous system, telling your body it's safe and can relax. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing is yoga. It's a gift of peace and calm. Try it now. Sit tall, close your eyes, inhale slowly through your nose, feel your belly expand, exhale slowly. Notice how you feel. This simple act is yoga, the start of a conversation with yourself. Your breath is always with you, ready to bring you back home. Yoga changes your body in amazing ways. It makes you more flexible, gently opening up tight muscles from sitting around all day. Each time you practice, you create more space in your body, making everyday movements easier. Yoga also builds strength. Poses like downward dog or warrior use your body weight to build balanced, useful muscles. You make your whole body stronger, not just certain parts. Better posture and balance come naturally, helping you stand taller and feel more steady. Yoga teaches you to breathe deeply from your belly, which makes your lungs stronger and gives you more energy. This mindful breathing feeds your body from the inside out. The good feelings last long after you finish your practice. Yoga builds more than just muscles. It builds deep inner strength. Your core is like your body's power center, helping with how you stand, how you move, and how you balance. Every pose that makes you use your middle part keeps your back safe and helps you stay steady. This strength helps you in your everyday life. When you lift things, move around, or even just stand up straight. Yoga helps you build useful strength by teaching your body to work together as a team. As you learn to feel your core, you also start to feel more sure of yourself. A quiet, steady feeling of being able to do things. This feeling stays with you throughout your day, helping you feel calm and steady no matter what happens. Before each pose, gently use your core for steadiness and support. It's not about holding your breath, but about a soft, supportive hug for your insides. This focus helps you find deeper strength, both in your body and in your mind. Our world is loud and demanding, making our minds race. Yoga gives you a safe place, a chance to calm your mind and look inside yourself. When you focus on your breath and body, it's like meditating. It helps you feel less stressed and tense. As you move and breathe, your body lets go of stress, both in your muscles and in your mind. Slow, steady breathing calms your body down, which lowers the hormones that cause stress. You'll leave your mat feeling lighter and more peaceful. Yoga also teaches you to pay attention, which helps you focus better in your everyday life. It's not about making your mind completely empty, but about gently bringing your thoughts back to the present moment. This practice helps you sleep better. Gentle stretches and deep breathing help you relax before bed. A calm mind is a real treasure, and yoga is a wonderful way to find it. Yoga makes more room in your heart as well as your body. It's a safe place to feel your feelings without being judged. Sometimes moving your body can bring up feelings. Yoga teaches you to notice them and breathe through them. This helps you become brave with your feelings and be kind to yourself. Moving, breathing, and focusing naturally make you feel better. Doing yoga regularly helps smooth out life's emotional ups and downs. Yoga is a tool to help you bounce back, keeping you calm and steady when things get tough. It's a way to take care of yourself and love yourself, teaching you to appreciate your body and treat yourself nicely. Your mat becomes a practice area for a calmer, stronger life. The spiritual side of yoga is simple. It's about being present. Yoga invites you to really experience the moment, your breath, your body, everything around you. In a world that's always thinking about what happened before or what's coming next, yoga brings you right back to now. This feeling of being present helps you heal deeply, reminding you of the calm, peaceful person you truly are inside. Being mindful on your mat doesn't just stay there, it spills over into your everyday life. You start to notice more, listen better, and really enjoy the simple things. The special gift of yoga is finding something sacred and wonderful in everyday life. In the end, yoga is a journey inside yourself, helping you connect with your own smarts and strength. The different poses and breathing exercises are like tools that help you hear what your inner self is telling you. This connection is the biggest and best change yoga can bring to your life. Starting yoga can feel a little scary, but it's really simple and fun. Just start. You don't need to be super bendy or have fancy stuff. Find a class or video that's good for beginners. Everyone has to start somewhere. Listen to your body. If something hurts, stop or do less. Your yoga path is special. Respect what your body needs. Use things like blocks to help you. And remember, doing it often is more important than doing it super hard. Short, regular practice helps you build good habits and remember the movements. Even just 10 minutes of gentle movement can make your day better. Be patient and kind to yourself. Some days will feel easy and others won't. The goal isn't to be perfect, but to show up for yourself. Celebrate the little wins and enjoy the journey. Your mat is a place to practice, not to be perfect. Welcome home. Yoga isn't something you finish. It's a friend for life. Some days it's a strong workout, other days gentle stretches or just quiet breathing. All of it is good. The real goal is to be kindly aware, to find what feels right in every part of your life. Yoga gives you ways to listen to yourself and make good choices. Your practice grows with you, changing for every stage of your life. It's a source of strength and calm you can always come back to. Start without expecting anything. Just connect with your breath and body. The power of yoga is inside you, in your presence and your bravery to show up. Thank you for being on this journey with me. May your path be full of peace, strength, and love. Namaste.